Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So right now I'm going to give the girls and Charlie some watermelon. Charlie loves watermelon and so do the girls. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go there. Hopefully I don't trip in my socks and flip-flops. Hey! And if you guys are wondering where this gorgeous coop is from, we got it from the Chicken Coop Company. We love it, so if you guys want to see how we unbox it, how we did a little review and the tour, I'll put the link right up here to that video, so be sure to check that out. Okay guys, so here they are. The little ducklings. Wow, they're so tired right now. Well, I just turned off their heat lamp so you guys could see them better. It is so warm in the garage. We moved them downstairs yesterday, but we didn't want to leave the heat lamp on all night, so we moved them back up to the garage, and it's very warm in here, so they did perfectly fine. We keep the heat lamp on like for the day, turn it off sometimes so they wouldn't be too hot. They're very adorable. So let's get on with the time lapse. I'm gonna be cleaning. See, they spilled like all their food here. There's a bunch of poop and everything. So let's start the time lapse. It's all nice and clean. This will probably last only for tomorrow. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe and turn those post notifications on to never miss out on any of our videos, so you guys can watch these ducklings grow and watch us decide which one we're going to keep, because we are only keeping one. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.